Everyone give a sweet smile. Give a sweet smile. Say cheese. Let us all have a click of yours. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Can you take the print screen of this, please? So, are you all excited to do today math sums? What sir is going to give you? Great.
No, ma'am.
No, why? Who says no?
We want
Yes,
to play
ma'am.
Max game first.
Maths game. It is a game only, no? The way you will do these subjects, this problem, it's a game. Isn't it?
No, ma'am. We want to play real game of Max.
Oh, let us do this. Then we'll go on the gaming part. Let's remove our fear first. Once you'll remove your fear, you'll be able to play the games very nicely, isn't it? Is it yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how many of you have joined? 53. Let's wait for another 3 minutes till 10 past 5. Is it fine for you all?
Yes.
Yo.
Today we are going out.
You're going out where?
No, we are not going, ma'am.
You're not going. No
Because we
problem.
have class now. How to go?
Oh, no issues, no issues. We'll have a virtual tour somewhere. Let's finish up the class. Then you think of a virtual tour in your dreams, okay? Just removing the fear of maths, flying. Isn't it?
Ma'am,
Then you
today,
can tell
after
someone
this
that,
class,
yes,
it's
I have my maths
Ma'am,
fear is
I have
gone.
a doubt.
Doubts would be taken. No, don't, not to worry. All your doubts. Why didn't you write your doubts on WhatsApp it to sir? Why didn't you do that? You should have done it, no?
Today,
2
ma'am,
days you had. Yes, tell me.
today after 6 o'clock,
Yes.
I am going down.
You're going doubt. Where are you going doubt? Means
To
you're
play
going
with
to
my
take your
friends.
doubts. No. After the session, sir would give you time to take your doubts. Then you can take your doubts. Okay?
Okay,
In
ma'am.
between the session, you should not interrupt. Write down your doubts and all your doubts would be cleared when sir would ask you one by one. So no need to shout. All your doubts would be cleared. Is it fine?
They'll be given a time today. And
Yes.
so how's the Josh?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, it should be a bang now, not like this.
Okay, sir.
You
Excited for the class?
unmute yourself first.
Yeah.
Let's
Show me
unmute
your
everyone.
hands, everyone. Show me your hands.
Yeah.
With a smile,
Yes.
with a passion, with a full energy, full on energy.
Yes.
So, sir, would you start the class now? 1 minute more to go. We are already 60.
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes.
Yes. 60. This is
No.
my 6 I'm making.
6.
So, everyone ready with the notebooks and the pen or a pencil? If anyone has to get rush, go and get it fast.
Okay. Last minute to go. And
Fine. All ready with the notebooks? All ready with the pencils?
Yes, ma'am.
There you go. Have a sip of water. Come on, start your class. Sir, over to you.
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes. So how's the
Sir,
Josh?
can you write in pen? Last time also
Yes,
I wrote in pen.
Great. So now let us all be mute so that
Sir,
Can you write in pen today also, because last time also I wrote in pen.
okay. You can.
Sir, are you muting us?
So please mute yourself first so that we can start with the class. Right? Okay. So welcome back to the magic of Vedic mathematics. Yes. Now will be. Yeah. Let me. Okay. So very first thing, let us take the doubts first so that everyone is clear. So who's going to come first? Who's Anika Subramanyam? Yeah, tell me. What is the doubt?
I have a doubt that table ending with 9.
So did you practice? Did you try the homework? Yes, tell me.
I couldn't write. I had exam.
You could have called me up. You didn't try it even to call, to contact. WhatsApp. Right. So we'll take it. Yes, anyone? I'll take it. Athav, I'll take it. Yes, anyone else? Anika, yeah, tell me.
Yes, I was saying I've completed with the homework. I
Okay.
was in the chat. You had sent that we have to send the homework somewhere. So where we have to send?
It was written very clearly. See, now I can. One person cannot check. One teacher cannot check all the homework on WhatsApp. So that was the reason I gave it a page address. And around 50
Yeah, I
plus.
clicked the link.
And
I
50.
clicked the link, but I cannot send it.
Oh, no issues. Today you can send it. Otherwise, one can send it on the WhatsApp also. I've checked number of students have sent on the WhatsApp. That's also fine. See, the point is you should do the homework. You should practice. It's not where to send is secondary thing, but once we have done it, that is more important. Yes. So again, starting Anvit Ambala. Right.
Ashrit Ambala.
Okay.
Sir, my name is Ashrit Ambala.
It is coming Anvit, so we cannot know better.
Sir, you can.
My laptop is switched off.
You can, sir. 1 second. You can say.
Sir, my laptop is switched off. That's why I joined with my brother's tab.
Okay. So let's start. Yamika. I'll have to remove if you are doing the same. You're controlling the screen. So let us start. Right. Yes. Anyone else has a doubt? You can send me a chat and then we can allow you. Yes. Yes, you can chat if you are looking for some help. If you're having any doubt, anything you want. Ishan, no doubt. Good. Okay, so we'll move further from the same point where we left. No, I have not disabled video. You can start video, beta. Devash, you can start video. Yes, Shrit, Suresh. Yes, tell me, beta. Shrita, tell me.
Sir, I have the doubt in the 3-digit number ending with 9. In that, should we add the number to to the hundreds place and ones place, or only the hundreds place?
Okay, can you give me any example?
Sir, 789.
789.
789.
Correct?
Yes.
Everybody, we are doing a table of 789. So first step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir. No doubt in this.
Now, at first, now say I told you whatever is before 9. So before 9, we have 78. So as it is, we'll write 78 over here. Up till here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now we have to add. What we have to add? We have to add one more. Now, 78 plus 1 is
79.
9. So we have to add 79 to this. So what is 79 plus 78? 1, 5, okay, I'll change the color. One, 5, 7. Again, I will add 79. So what will it become? 236. Again, I'll add 79. So what will it become? 315. Now is it clear, Siddhartha? You can unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Yes, anyone else? Nihira. Yes, tell me. Nihira, you raised your hand.
Sir, what is centiliter?
What is?
Centiliter.
Sorry, I could not understand.
Sir, what is centiliter?
Beta, can you write on the chat? I am not able to understand you. Yes, Devesh. In the meantime, you tell me.
Sir, now my video is started.
Okay, so it's okay.
Yes.
So lower down hand. Anybody who has no problem, they can lower down their hands. Nehra, I am not able to understand, so please write down on the chat. I'll just read and get connect. What is centiliter? Where I have done? How to multiply numbers without 9. That was the second topic we did. Yesterday you were not there, Dvij. So then, sorry.
Sir, I was there.
Then we did tables, beta. Second topic.
Sir, but I didn't understand
So
what we have to do.
So what you were doing yesterday? Why didn't you ask? You are in which standard?
Sir, 6.
Okay, we'll just go for it. So is this about what we did? So work, we did it with you, and when I did it with you, you didn't like it that much. Sorry, I didn't tell you. Sorry. Okay, so this was how we did. Okay, now just fast revision so that we can start with the new topics. Or you just want to go engage in the old topics? You want to learn new or not?
Yes,
Now, very
sir.
important thing is, you know, how to verify your answers. We'll learn that also today. Okay, let's complete. Yes, Divij, your point was how to multiply fast. Take any two numbers. Let's say we have two numbers, 26. We have to write a table of 26. And that means, and we are just supposed to multiply with 6. Now, usually what you do, 36, 6, and you put 3 over here as a carryover. And then 6 to the 12 and 2, 3, 15. Yes,
15.
everyone does this way. Now in Vedic mathematics, we have an easy way. 26 into 6. Now we do place wise. 6 6 36.
36.
Correct. We add this balancing line is the difference. If you remember writing the table separately, so there was a gap when 2 table was written. And here 6 table is there. So this is there is a gap. So this gap is basically that balancing line. 6 2s are 12. Now remembering the concept, you cannot have 2 digit at one place value. This is what we learned yesterday also. So here at unit place, you cannot have 2 digits. So this 3 goes here and the answer becomes 156. See, what is the difference between normal mathematics way and Vedic mathematics? Here also the answer is same, but here multiple carryovers are there, which generally confuse us. Now 3, sometimes we forget that 3. If I ask you to verify this answer, you will again multiply and find the answer. But here it is very open, very clear what is 6 into 6 and what is 6 into 2. So this simplicity and clarity. So 2 things. Simplicity is there in Vedic mathematics and clarity. So this is how you can do any multiplication. Now, Dvij, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question now you have? We'll try that question.
No, sir.
Anything you comes in your mind?
No, sir.
Yes, anyone else now? Okay, then let's move further. Yesterday we did up till 3-digit numbers with 11. I'll just move further and then we'll have a test. Yes, all of you ready for the test? Yes or no? I have a doubt. Yes, Tendruk, Karthik, please tell me. I'm not able to locate you, beta. Just hold on. Yes. Who has the doubt now? You need to raise. If you raise hand, then I'll be able to see you more clearly. I can allow you to speak, but then it happens. Yes, Tendruk, I'm not getting you. Okay, so let's do some work, then we'll understand. So yesterday we did when 11 is multiplied by 3 digits. So first as it is, then a pair 1 plus 2. This gives you 3. Then the second pair. This gives 5 and 3. Now bigger numbers, how to go about bigger numbers, 4-digit number, 5-digit number. See, when I say what is 1 2 3 4 5 into 11, see how fast I am. 1 3 5 7 9 5. How many seconds? Just few seconds. And this speed will give you more confidence. This speed will increase your concentration levels. This speed will increase your visual ability, right? See how it will happen. Now, first, let's take an example of 4-digit. Now, if 4-digit is to be multiplied with 11, yes, anybody can give me the answer? So everyone pay attention. First digit as it is. Then the first combination. What is first combination? 1 and 2. That gives 3. What is second pair? What can be the second pair? 2 and 3. What is this? 2 and 3 makes 5. I'll just give you rights for unmute yourself, but we have to be. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, we are right.
yes, sir, I can unmute now. My doubt was the method which you taught just now. Can you do it once more, like with using a different number, like 26 into 36? You just showed that 26 into 6. At the
See,
beginning,
26 into 36 is something different. It is a 2 by 2 multiplication. That has in Vedic maths, we can solve this question with 3 different methods. But that is not, that cannot be taught right away because you need to understand basics before that. The example I gave you was because that was, you have already done covered tables yesterday, right? In the, if you have gone through that notes, the notes are of different categories, right? So 36 into 26 cannot be taught right away because it can be done by 2 different methods. One is base value, one base method known as Nikhilam method, and other is Urdhva Sutra. So that cannot be explained right away. It needs some time. I read your message, but personally, I can give you that solution after 7 in the evening.
okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in this method, like if there's a carryover example, 1, 2, 8, 4, when it comes like that, how to do?
Yes, we'll do better. First, we'll do the simple one. Then we'll go to the second one, tough one.
Okay.
Right? We'll do both. Don't worry about it. So 3 and 4 is 7. And then 4. Any doubt in this first? See, always go step by step so that your doubts are very clear. And any question you have, we are most welcome to ask. Yes, clear? Anyone has a doubt in this? Okay, good. Very good. Okay, now see. Shridhata asked.
I have one doubt.
Yes, please ask.
You can explain, please, once again.
Okay, what is the doubt?
I have no doubt. You can explain once again.
Who is, what's your name?
Gauda.
Now let's move to the new topic. If it is, like she said, if you have carryover, right? This is so. See, you have to follow the same points. Same method is to be followed. Nothing is changed. The only thing is you have to take care that there is 1. Now, what is first pair? 1 and 5. That gives you 6. Third, 5 and 8. This gives me 13. Now remember why I am underlining this, so that I should remember that this is a 2-digit number and I cannot have 2 digits at this place value. Again, 8 and 6. That is 14 and 6. Now, remember the rule. You cannot have 2 digits at one place. So 6, 4 will come here. This one will move further. This will make 4. This one will move further. It will give you 7 and 1. Yes, Yamika, your answer is correct. Devesh, your answer is wrong, beta. It is not 13. 13 you cannot write on the same way. That is to be done in the other way. So that,
Sir, we want to write.
sorry,
We want to write this.
you should write it if so that you remember this.
Okay, sir.
Can you explain once more this question?
Yes, anyone has doubt in this now? Yes, Ishan, it is correct. J Chinmay, correct. Adi Koshit, very good. Have you written? Everybody has written.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Krishev, you have raised the hand. Tell me, beta.
Sir,
Hmm?
but I'm just not writing this time. Hearing, I can remember.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, anyone else who has any doubt left now?
No.
Okay. So last we'll do 5-digit number also. See what will give you this. Like I was saying, you can talk to any of your friend and say, do you know what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? He'll say no. But you can say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. How fast you can go. See, this gives you confidence. Why this happens, we'll learn after 5-10 minutes. We'll go for a theory part. Yes, Yamika, you have raised the hand. Tell me. Yamika, any doubt?
Sir, not doubt, but I want to say something.
Please.
That I'm thinking after this class I will go and play, and I will go someone's house which has board. I have a friend who has board in her house. I will teach math, these all things that I learned.
Very good. Chalo. Let's, great. So everybody should clap for her. See, this is how, see, if she has earned some knowledge, she wants to distribute it. She wants to share with others. This is, and you know, this will enhance your knowledge further. See, knowledge is such, the more you share, more you will be having with you. Correct? Okay. Now coming back. So 4-digit is done. Okay, what is the largest 4-digit number? Yes, everyone. Largest 4-digit number? Chat.
9999.
Okay. See, we have to do the class also. Okay. Now multiply with 11. Last question of 4-digit. Do it. Today, I'll tell you how to crack examinations, how to be fast in exams. I'll tell you one method.
Sir, but in exams I'm so slow and I'm not understanding like English, EVS like that.
I'll tell you how to check. I'll give me 5-10 minutes. I'll tell you.
Sir, I put the answer in the chat. Is it correct?
You can speak up, beta. Yes, it is
I am.
109989. Yes, Devdarshan, you have 108989. No.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
I actually got disconnected now. What are we learning?
So beta, just wait. We are doing multiplication. What's your name?
Sadhana.
You got disconnected. Okay. So what is your doubt?
Actually, I just could actually do that 1586. I don't understand.
Sorry, I'm not able to understand you. Okay, we are doing earlier we did 4-digit number multiplication with 11. Now we'll be starting with 5 digits. So this is a question of 4-digit. Yes, Alok, resting. What happened? Done the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? Yes, Arjun, what is the answer? Manome?
Ma'am. Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, what is the answer, beta? Ritu,
I
what is
think-
the answer?
Sir, it's 1,09,908.
Okay. So how much time it took? See, if it is normal multiplication, we have to do so much of efforts. But now it is just simple adding the corresponding digits. This is what
Yes, sir.
I told you, simplicity and clarity. Last we'll go for a 5-digit number and then I'll give you a test. Because we have to learn an important topic, that is how to verify your answers. See, now if you remember, whenever you are going for exams, your teacher says do the best question first. Yes or no? How many of you have? So what does that mean? Why they say that do the best question first?
Sir, what did you tell?
मैंने बोला जब आप एग्जाम में जाते हैं, then your teacher says try first solve the best questions, the questions which you know by heart, attempt those questions first. Is it true or not? Your teacher says the same way or not?
True, true.
Why does she says this?
Don't know.
Okay, I'll tell you the reason. See, the reason is if you start with some work and you find it tough, will you continue it further?
No, sir.
Suppose you are starting with the maths work and the first problem you stuck on. Will you solve all the problems? But if you are able to solve 1, 2 initial, then your interest will start. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the reason. Now, if you know that whatever questions you have attempted, they are correct. That means without waiting for the result, while doing the paper, you know that the questions are correct. Then how would be your confidence? What would be your confidence level? Could you not get, are you not getting me? If you know what you attempted is correct, how will you feel?
So happy.
Sorry. See, the motive behind why I am asking this is, in Vedic mathematics, we have a single line solution with which you can find whether your answer is correct or not. Now, if you know whatever you are attempting that is correct, your confidence level will go on increasing and you will be able to solve the paper more easily, more clearly, more confidently. Okay, we'll do that. Don't worry. Okay, last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11.
$12.
Huh? Who asked? Who said 12? It is 1,
Shubhanam.
3, 5.
3, 5, 7, 9.
1, 3, 5, 7, and 5.
Whosoever has given the answer, they should pat themselves. They should congratulate themselves. See how fast you can do the multiplication. Were you able to do this much multiplication before
Yes, sir.
28? Such big calculations were you able to do mentally? Yes. Okay. Any doubt? Yes, somebody. I did not understand. Aditi Kaushik. Where is Aditi? Aditi, please raise the hand so that we can. Yes, Aditi, where are you? Tell me. What is the doubt? Tell me.
Sir, I didn't understand that this question I didn't understand.
You did not understand? No issues. Only this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, again, now we have 5 digits. And multiplication is same with 11. So what does 11 multiplication says? First digit as it is, last digit as it is. In between, make the pairs. So what is the first pair? Yes, Aditi. What is the first pair? Yeah, tell me.
Just for you.
Tell me, what is the first pair? Boliye. One and two. 1 plus 2. What is the answer?
3, sir.
3.
Confidently boliye. Dar kyun nahi ho?
3.
Yes. And 2 plus second pair is
5.
third pair.
7.
Fourth pair.
7. 9.
Any other pair left?
No, sir.
So this is your
9.
answer.
Yes, sir. 1,
Now is it
3,
clear, Adit?
5, 7, 9, 5.
Yes, Arna, you raised the hand. Tell me.
Sir, I don't understand. Can you please tell it again?
Who? Who did not understand?
Me.
What's your name, beta?
SHOREY.
Who's playing music? Okay. So let's start with the test then. Everybody, if has done it, let us start with the test. The first question is 67 into 22.
So you have to write in chat.
You can write in chat also, and you have to explain me how it is to be done. Yes, time starts for everyone. Yes, Sridhata.
Sir, I did not understand this concept.
No issues. Which concept, beta? This is a test I have given you.
The concept of doing the multiplication like this.
I just explained you in the first. I explained you yesterday. Also, I explained you.
Sir, we want to write in notebook. One, 3, 5, 3, 4.
Okay. Now see how it happens. See. Now what is 22? We just understand that 22 is
1474.
2 into 11. So this is known as your visual ability. See. Now everybody knows what is 67 into 2. It is very easy. 134. And then multiply with 11. So that is 1, 4, 7, 4. So this is known as multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Multiples of 11 are 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22,
Sir, I did not
53.
understand this concept.
44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, and so on. Yes.
Sir, I did not understand this concept.
Which concept?
Even
beta?
I did not understand, sir.
This
No problem.
Sir, even I
did not understand.
Sir, I understood. Aradho.
Good. See, if
Sir,
you
Subhanallah did not understand.
Shulank, okay, I'll ask you some questions. Up till what you understood? 11 multiplied by 11, you understood?
No, sir.
You were absent. You were absent on 28.
Yes, sir.
Then how can you understand?
First day of the school, I was present.
First day you were present. So we solved beta. What is 23 into 11?
Then I left at 6:30.
Now you know what is 23 into 11?
No, yes, sir. 3 will go to that side.
What is the
Three will
answer?
go- The answer is 253.
Very good.
253.
So then there is no problem with you. See, now this is done.
Ma'am, sir, I did not tell. Somebody else told.
You know 253 or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear up till here? 2-digit numbers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now comes 3-digit number. So first again 1 as it is. Then 1 plus 2
2 as
makes 3,
3,
5,
5.
and 3.
Ma'am, what? Sir, 1353.
Yes. Now is it clear? Subhan log.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to 4-digit number. See, slowly and steadily you have to increase. So first thing was, did you do the homework?
Yes, sir.
Have you submitted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So
I have, excuse me, sir.
yes.
I have done, but I didn't send.
Why?
I forgot, sir.
No problem.
Sir, I sent you directly.
Okay, good, beta.
Oh,
Now see, if it is 4, so what happens?
1000. 13,537.
Now is it clear, Subhanulok?
Yes, sir.
So you
Yes, sir.
first practice up till 5 digits, then slowly you will be able to do, right? So you have to practice. The concept is same. If you see the formula was very clear. First one, first digit, then A1, B1, then A. So one each you take and then you'll move, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So coming to one important.
you teach again?
Sir,
Sorry?
that time I got one doubt, but you was talking with somebody else.
So you can take the doubt. Now tell me.
That 93. That blocks after 93 we'll write a blocks and write 1, 2, 3. No, sir. After that, I understood one number, but after that I did not understand.
See, even I am not getting what you want to say. What 93, beta?
Sir, that in the homework you gave 93.
Sir, see. I don't. 93 into 11 it was given.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, 9 as it is. 9 plus 3 is 12, and 3 as it is. So I cannot have 2 digits here. So it becomes 1 0 here and 2 3. So 1 0 2 3 is the answer.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
See, whatever doubt was there, you should have asked. We should not waste time in that only. We have to go, we learn something new also. So now let's move to the new topic. And the topic for today is digit sum. Very easy topic, but it will give you a very good advantage. Digit sum, also known as digital root, also known as Namashesh, also known as, yes, Bijang. So these are the 4 names given to this concept. Why I have given you all the names? Maybe sometimes you get to know some other names, so you should not get confused. I have Chinmay. I've given the rights to everybody to unmute.
Sir, can you just note it on one side?
Chinmay, I have given you the rights, beta. Viha, where are you? Your father is attending the class, not you.
Sir, I don't understand 22 sum.
No issues, we'll do it again.
Multiplication of 22.
No problem. We'll do it, beta. First, let us start with a new topic. Then we'll do again. Because
Sir, I didn't understand digital roots, that one.
We have not started even now. We have just written the name. So I have not started. Right? Chalo. All ready? Okay. Now, digit sum means the name itself says whatever is a digit, we just have to find the sum of it. Right? If it is a single number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the digit sum is same because we have only one digit, so the digit sum is same. Up till 9, we have the number itself is a digit sum. But what happens when the number is bigger? For example, let's start with 10. Now 10 means 1 here. How many digits are there? 2 digits.
2 digits.
1.
digits.
So it is digit
Sir,
sum means
2 digits, sir.
okay, please. So digit sum means sum of the digits. So digits are 1 and 0.
And 0.
So my digit sum becomes 1. Let's take example 11. So my digit sum becomes 1 plus 1, that is 2.
2.
If it is 18, my digit sum becomes 1 plus 8 is equal to 9.
9.
Now, if it is 19, my digit sum becomes 1 plus 9, that is
20.
10.
10. But again, remember, what was the digit sum of 10? See, digit sum is always between 1 to 9. The digit sum should be always between 1 and 9. So again, 19, it is 1 plus 0, it becomes 1 only.
1.
Right? Now let's say a bigger number, 236. So 2 plus 3 plus 6, that is 11. Further, 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Any doubt up till here? Siddharth,
No, sir.
pay attention, beta.
No, sir.
This
No,
is very
sir, no
important
doubts.
topic. This is very important. This is very important topic. This will help you to increase confidence because in the exams you will be able to verify whether whatever you have done it is correct or not. And this technique is not available in normal mathematics. Second thing, if you are going for any NTSC, Olympiad or any exam, number of MCQs stand for multiple choice questions. You can just solve using this digit sum. So pay attention today. It is very important topic.
Sorry, sir, I face some internet issues on disconnection. So can you repeat this part
No,
of verification?
please wait. Please wait. So $139. What is the digit sum? Yes, everyone. What is the digit
30.
sum?
1 plus 3 plus 9.
1 plus 3 plus 9.
13.
13.
Can you have 2-digit number? I told you what I told you.
Method.
13, 1 plus 3, 4. 4.
Yes, 4. Anybody who did not get 4?
Nobody got 4.
Yes, Deepilekha. Did you get 4?
Sir, it's 6 o'clock.
Yes, sir, it is 4.
No, sir.
What do you get the answer?
4.
4.
You're not doing better. It's just simple as it is. 1 plus 3 plus 4, 9.
So 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 9 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. The answer is 4. It's so
Very
easy.
good. Yes, Subhan Blok, what happened? You're not there, but raised hand. Gone for washroom break. Yes. Okay. One more. 723. What is digit sum?
9, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus
Sir,
3. 9 plus 3.
Whosoever gave 3, very good.
12.
3.
1 plus 2, then,
See,
3.
7 plus 2 plus 3 is 12. And 12 is further 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. See the
The
idea?
answer is 3, sir.
Yes, very good. The concept is digit sum is a single digit number in between 1 to 9. Correct? So the definition is digit sum is a single digit number between 1 to 9. Remember one thing. In case if you ever get digit sum as 0 or a negative, anytime in the calculation you get digit sum as 0 or negative, just add 9 to it. We'll see these examples. Don't worry.
Sir, negative means?
Minus sign नहीं होता है. -7, -6.
Sir,
You are-
what is negative and positive?
Positive is general 7 and 6.
Sir, we have not learned minus.
Okay, no issues, beta. But one day you have to learn. So maybe let it be today only. You will be ahead your partners or your classmates. Okay. Now, why did we do this? Why we learned digit sum? What was the motive behind it? Let's apply this concept on addition first. Right. So this is one question. Okay, I'll give small question first, 3-digit number. This is addition. What is the answer? Yes, everybody, fast.
Which time the class will end, sir?
You can end right now.
1381. 1381.
Sir, 871.
1381. 1351. Sir, 1381. Yes, 1381.
So,
Sir, 1381. 1381.
okay, see, so many of you gave the wrong. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Please. Now, see, so many of you gave the answer wrong. And this happens. Now, if you have attempted this question in exams and somebody says, please verify, how will you do? You'll again repeat the question. So that does not work. Now, I'll tell you a very easy method today. We will find digit sum. What is digit sum of 745? Yes, everyone. 7. Very good.
6.
Whosoever answered, that is very good. What is digit sum of 636?
6.
Very good again.
6.
Now, the question is addition. So, say 7 plus 6 is 13. So that means again digit sum is 4. Yes or no? Up till here, any doubt?
No.
I'm just finding, see, instead of solving this question again, I'm just finding digit sum. Digit sum would be, see, today you are learning for the first time. By tomorrow, you'll be clear. You can learn it. You can cram it. You can do it verbally. 745. So easily you can say 7 plus 4 plus 5. That is 7. Right. Now, let's see what the answer is having. What is the digit sum of 1381? Yamika, sleeping?
4.
You're not attending the class.
4.
So now see, the question is also 4-digit sum. The answer is also 4. When both digit sum of both question and answer are same, that means this answer is correct. Are you getting it? Yes. And how many of you got this? See, instead of solving the problem again, we just see from the digit sum. If digit sums are same, that means the answer is correct. So that,
I didn't understand the concept of digit sum.
what is your name, beta?
Ashrit.
Where are you? I'm not able to see you. I'm not able to see you. Where are you?
Sir, I have doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Sir, can you please teach again about that?
Yeah, that we are going to do. Let's take. We'll take one more example. Just pay attention to that, then I'll answer you. Let's take another question. We'll go for a 2-digit number so that you understand first the concept. Let's say I have to add 98 and 87. So the 98 plus 87 is right. Any doubt? Yes, anyone has doubt in the answer?
No, sir.
Oh, okay, good. Now, if somebody asks you, can you verify it? So how will you verify? See, digit sum is your verification tool. Now, I'll find the digit sum of this first. Then I'll find a digit sum of this. What is digit sum of 98?
185.
8.
78.
What is digit sum of 87?
6.
6.
6. 6.
Those who
6.
have said 6, they are correct. Others, pay attention. If you're not paying attention, you will be losing yourself. Now, I have digit sum of 98 as 8. I have digit sum of 87 as 6. If I add both of them, this becomes 14. And
14.
the final digit sum comes as 5.
5.
If I just visualize this, 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 8 plus 5, again 14. That means digit sum is again 5. So now see, question digit sum is 5, answer digit sum is 5. That means this is correct. So this is how you can verify your answers. When you will verify your answer, when you attempt the first question and you verify that, then you have the confidence that yes, I have done it correct. When you have this thing in your mind, you will start working more confidently. So that is the reason why teacher also says you attempt the best questions first, so that you never lose confidence when you are doing something important. Whenever you are going for exam or whenever you're going for anything, first do the simple things. First do the things which you know by heart. Or if you know that this is correct, it is one and the same thing. Yes, Yamika? You're raising your hand.
Sir, I'm not able to understand what is this 8, 6 and 5.
Digit sum, you did not listen that time. That time you were busy somewhere else. I told you that
sir,
time.
Sir, the thing you wrote with the full blue one page, that time I just got disconnected.
Okay,
So
not an issue.
the
Not issue.
not
Now
not this one.
this.
Yes.
What do you
I'm not
understand by
able to
digit sum? See, a very simple language, Yamika. Digit sum means adding the digits. If a number is given to you 313, what are the digits? 3, 1, 3. If you add it, what is the answer?
Then it will be 7.
So this is your digit sum. How easy it is.
Okay, sir, I got it.
We have to this is we find the digit sum of question and we find the digit sum of the answer. If they are matching, that means our answer is correct.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Okay, I'll give you a very easy thing. Now, yesterday we did multiplication. Okay, let's find the answer first. Yes, what was the answer of 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11? Everybody. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11?
1.
Sir, it is 1003. Oh,
Sir, 1
So
13,000.
574.
Sir, 13,570.
Okay. Everybody. Now,
13,774.
done, beta. Now see, if I ask you to verify this, see how easy now it would be. Let us find the digit sum of 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the digit sum of 1, 2, 3, 4?
One.
Very good. What is digit sum of 11?
2.
What is the sign in between?
Plus.
This is plus.
Multiplication sign.
So 1 into 2 is
3.
1 into 2 is 3.
2.
Bhakti, what happened?
2. 2.
So my digit sum of quotient side is 2. Correct? Up till here, any doubt?
No.
So let us find the digit sum of this. Yes, Yamika, what is digit sum of 1, 3, 5, 7, 4? Find, hurry up. Fast.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Means 2.
Yes, are we? Shrida. It is 20. That means 2. So both question and answer, they have same digit sum. So that means our answer was correct. So before the teacher corrects you, you know that you have done it correctly. When you know that you have done the sum correctly, will you not get that confidence?
Yes, sir.
Will get.
And this technique is not there in our normal mathematics. I'll give you one very good example. How many of you have appeared for any exams earlier? Any NTSC, any Olympiad or any school change, any maths exam?
Me, sir.
Sorry? Yes, Manome?
I've done. I had in maths. I mean Mars.
Okay. Now, do you know what is MCQ?
Yes, sir. No,
What?
sir.
Multiple.
it is multiple choice question.
Very good.
Multiple choice question.
Okay. Now, if I give you a question like example, and I give you answer 4 options. So how will you do it? Yes. Who can do this?
And we'll just choose one cell
How will you choose?
by doing the
Then
correct
we
answer.
will multiply it and choose.
No. See, if you'll start multiplying this big question, that means you'll waste 5 to 10 minutes. And in exams, you have only 1 minute for one question. So what is the best way is you find digit sum of this, you find the digit sum of this. This is very easy. Here it is 7. Here it is. What is 7886 digit sum? Okay. Yes, tell me. 15 and 14, 29, 2.
2.
7 into 2 is 14. So digit sum is 5. What I'll see is which answer has digit sum 5. So that would be the answer. So without actually multiplying, you'll be able to find the answer. Let me give you this example. Let me give you. Then you'll understand this completely, how this concept works and how beneficial this digit sum is, which you don't have in your normal mathematics. Let me.
Sir, what is the time?
Sorry, come again. Are you able to see this black screen?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Sir, I wanted to ask something. Can I ask now?
Just give me 1 second. Let me show you the question first. Then you'll be
Absolutely.
able to understand this more clearly, because this is very important. If you understand this, your confidence level would increase. You'll be able to solve the questions before anybody else does. And more important, it is not solving. You'll be confident that you have done correctly, because you
Yes,
don't
sir.
have any verification method in your normal mathematics. It is only possible in Vedic mathematics. So one should very closely watch this example and understand. Otherwise, you will have yes. See now, everyone. Now this is a question. The question is, what is 352 into 867? Now, if you see, if I try to solve this, I'll take another 5 minutes, but I don't have this much time. So what I do, I just take digit sum of 352. What is digit sum of 352? Yes, Arvi, Yamika.
1.
And what is digit sum of 867?
1.
1.
2.
3.
2.
Don't start counting, beta. Try to do it properly. 8 plus.
2.
Who is saying 2? They should repeat their class. If
3.
8 plus 6 plus 7, 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 7. Please don't create nuisance. See, if you don't want to learn, you can leave it. This is 21. 21 means it is 3.
Ma'am, sir, it's 3.
3.
It's 3.
So I don't want to see your teeth, beta. So now 3 into 1 is 3. See, now I know my question has digit sum of 3. Is it clear up till here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, I have got the 4 answers. Let us try one each. So first answer is 302514. What is the digit sum? 302 514. That means 5 and 4 9. It is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So digit sum becomes 6.
Sir, I can't open my
Sir,
video.
the correct option is 2, sir. 305184.
That's okay. But let everybody understand this. If they follow this, they'll be able to crack any exam. If you think NTSC and this your Olympiads, they totally come MCQs, and MCQs, if you start solving, even if you know all the answers, if you are able to do, but this process will take time. So with digit sum, you save your time. You are able to solve very easily and with more confidence. Great, Dev Darshan Nitra. I don't know. Okay. So 305184 gives 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. That gives me 3. So I know 3 is my question. So answer should also be 3. I select second only. So this is, so without calculating, you found the answer. This is the benefit of your digit sum. So that means this trick will work for all your entrance examination, for all your verification, and this will give you confidence. Okay, let me remove first.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Can we do this to verify anyone? Like we can do it for subtraction.
Yes,
division,
now
addition
we'll
and all?
now we'll go for subtraction, beta. First we did multiplication because we did multiplication yesterday. That was the reason we did multiplication first. So we will, I think we should close the chat. Still people are coming. Why is this? Okay. See, now I'll show you a question of subtraction and addition also. Not able to clear this. See, now another example I'll give you of addition first, and then we'll go for subtraction. So let us say first number is 324 and the second number is 226. Now 324 plus 226 is 550. Yes, you can check on your notebooks. Is 324 plus 226 550? Is it correct? Yes, Abhay, what happened? Getting irritated? You're not getting? This means?
No, sir.
Not getting?
Yes,
Is 550.
Is correct, sir.
Okay. Now see, if I find the digital root or digit sum of 324, what is that? What is digit sum of 324?
It's 9.
Very good. What is digit sum of 226?
Sir, it's 10, but we'll take it as 1.
Sorry, 226 is 10. So that means 1. And 1 plus 9 is again 10, means again 1.
1.
And 550.
11 means 2.
And for 550, it is again 1. So that means my question is correct. Is it clear now? Okay, let's take another example of subtraction. Same question.
Not finished writing.
324 minus 226 is? Yes. What is 324 minus 226?
98.
Okay, done. So what was the
98.
digit sum of 324? Only 9. And digit sum of 226 was 1. Yes or
One.
no? Yes or no? So what is
Yes.
what is
Yes.
9 what is 9 minus 1?
8.
8.
And what is the
8.
digit sum of answer?
8.
See, 98 means 17. 17 means further 8. So both question and answer, they have same digit sum. So that means even this question is correct. Abhay, what happened, beta? See, I am sitting in front. You are again and again saying towards your mother or father, I don't know. What happened? Please ask me if you want anything.
No, sir. Nothing.
You are clear?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Now can I ask my doubt, sir?
Yes, now you can ask, please.
Sir, like
What's your
this
name?
thing is
What's your name, beta?
Sarveshwar. And-
Let me you come, because what happens, everybody should be there. Sarveshwar.
Yes, sir.
I'm
visible on screen, sir.
Actually, I'm not able to see you. I'm not.
Sir, though, can I ask my question?
Yes, please come.
Sir, like this thing is great for MCQs, but what if there is no option and they directly ask us? Is there any way to add like that? Using Vedic.
Yes, there are so many. You want for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, what?
Yes, sir, all of them.
All of them. See, we have
Yes.
very simple methods for addition. We have very simple method for subtraction. We have very simple method. Multiplication, I taught you one method.
Yes, sir.
One was 11. One I taught you, if it is this kind of numbers, then big to big numbers, but everything cannot be taught in a single day. See, Vedic mathematics also needs around around 20-30 classes where you can understand the basics and go till the last. Correct? So we have number of batches going on for this. Generally, we are giving 1 hour class. Like this workshop is 2 hours, but that is 1 hour class, only 6 to 8 students, and that 1 month we give 3 classes in a week, right? So we'll understand that. But in particular, if you have any question, any problem, because if I'll solve over here, they will not be able to understand. So you can call me at 7, around 7. I'll solve it out, right? Or anytime you can write on the WhatsApp. I'll always answer you. Most of the problems have been solved on the page link given to you. So you have to be in touch with that, right? So sometimes what happened, the problem has been already solved. So you can directly see from there also.
Okay, sir.
Right? Yes, anyone else? So digit sum is used to enhance your motivation. And once you are motivated, anything can be done. Without this, see, if you're not confident, if you're not motivated, how will you learn anything? How will you be able to understand anything? So this thing is important first. Correct? Okay. Coming back to the now point arises, whatever we learned, why it is happening, how things are going on, why in Vedic mathematics are speed gains. Let's understand this thing first. See, if you remember with 11, The concept, the question was multiplication with 11. But did we multiply anywhere? Yes, Divij, Anika, Gurulakshmi, anyone? Did we
No, sir.
multiply anywhere? So what was, now somebody will say multiplication is a add of consecutive addition, but did we do even consecutive additions? No,
No.
just added corresponding digits. So this is a beauty of Vedic mathematics. If you see my books, it is written very clearly, Vedic mathematics makes your mathematics magical. Correct? And that is why in your syllabus, in your curriculum, this subject is being added. From next year, you'll be learning this subject. You'll be doing this subject. Second thing, second important thing. I asked you this simple question yesterday also. How do you read? You read from left to right. How do we write? Left to right. But whenever it comes to a mathematics, you always do reverse. Means always go from right to left. First, you do unit place, then tens place, then hundred place. And this is a reason why your speed is slow. Just remember the concept. I taught you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. See, I am moving from left to right. Can you speak from right to left in the same fast manner? Yes, anyone?
No.
What does that mean? Whenever you will do from left to right, because all your activities, entire life, you do left to right. Even all of you are sitting in a room now. Just see in front of you, there might be some cupboard placed. If you see, first you will be seeing the objects that are on the left hand side and then on the right hand side. This is very fast in the fraction of seconds. Not even fraction of second, it is microseconds. But this is,
And we didn't realize it.
yes, but this is actually what is happening. So this is a reason in Vedic mathematics, we get this option, we get this flexibility, we get this opportunity to either do it from left to right or right to left. See, both way you could do it. So that is the reason your speed gets increased. Correct? So this is the biggest reason why. Now you might have heard, see, when you were looking for Vedic mathematics class, everybody, and you were all like, my speed would be increased. Yes, don't you think your speed has increased? And you have just done for 1 day, 1.5 days, 3 hours. So if in 3 hours your speed can increase to 10 times, 20 times, if you do it for 1 month, how much speed you will have? You will not be using calculators anymore. What is 999 into 999? You'll be thinking, but it is very easy, 998,001. What is 67 into 63? You might be thinking it is 4221. What is 76 into 74? It is 5624. So easy it will become. We'll learn this topic after 5-10 minutes. Now, this is the reason. Everybody says, my speed gets increased. So what is the reason? First reason I gave you, because here we get the flexibility. Yes, but why it happens? It happens because earlier, when we are getting a question of multiplication, yes, 574 or 67 into 22. So we try to multiply. Now we try to solve in a manner of 11. So that is basically our enhanced visual ability. So with enhanced visual ability, we are able to visualize the numbers. Shaunak, what are you doing? This is not a playground, beta. If you don't want to study, it's okay. You can have your video off so that others are not disturbed. I'm telling you a very important thing. Please listen. It would be benefited to you. You'll be increasing your concentration. So what is this? You have enhanced visual ability. Your reasoning skills increase. Your logics become strong. And this all results in increase in speed. Secondly,
Sir, my connection go. Can you say once more?
sorry,
My connection go, sir. Can you say once more?
no, I'm just giving you examples. So now be
Okay,
attentive.
sir. I have a doubt.
Yes,
In
please ask.
storeroom, your books is there.
Sorry.
Storeroom, your books is
Yes,
there.
we have books. This is not a doubt, beta. This is a question. We have books. My number is available to you. I'll share you the link today. You can see it. But let us study
Okay.
first. See, what we are doing is we are not living in present. We are talking about future again and again. Let's study first. Let us utilize this time first. Then we'll go ahead. Not an issue. Okay. So now, one thing, you have enhanced visual ability. Now with this visual ability, you can do anything. It's not only Vedic mathematics or mathematics. Second reason is you are doing the calculations in single step or maximum one step, either mentally or single step. So that increases your speed, right? Third thing, when we are doing this, some of you were keeping something in your mind. See, while calculating digits, some things, some calculations you keep in your mind. What does that enhance? Your left brain and right brain, they both get activated. And people who have more left brain active, their logics are strong. And people who have more art related, their right brain is, with Vedic mathematics, both your right and left brain becomes active. So that is the reason your speed increases. You all have seen yesterday how easily you were doing calculations of 11, right? So this is why your speed gets increased. So why Vedic mathematics? Because it increases your speed. Second thing, it reduces your burden. Now, do you have burden of tables? Yes. Earlier you need to remember the tables. Now up till 8, that is only done, because 9 you can do with the help of that concept. 10 is okay, 11, 12, all can be done with the second concept. So that burden has been removed. This is the biggest burden of any child, tables, to cram tables, to learn tables, to write tables. But now with this the Vedic mathematics, it is very easy. So this gives you the burden-free life. Now it reduces scratch work. Now why I say scratch work? See, when you were doing multiplications 5 digit with 11, can you ever think that without any carryovers, without any rough work you were doing?
Sir, actually I got logged out. So can you tell what we did in the past 10-15 minutes?
Sorry?
Actually, I was logged out. So can you tell me that what you have done in the last 10 minutes?
Sorry, this is not practical. If you are not available for 10 minutes, should I? That cannot be. Everybody's waiting for their.
It will be there in the recorded lecture, no?
Definitely, nothing will go off.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
See, we are discussing important points. If it was a problem, I would have repeated. But now let's talk, because already then you other have to leave for other classes. Okay. So no scratch work is required because your problems are mentally. You can solve number of problems mentally only, right? It increases your concentration. So how many of you want to increase concentration? Yes.
Man, me.
Let's see how many people want. I'm waiting for the answers in the chat. Let me see how many. Or no. See, Sankateshwar, don't need the concentration. Now, what is the best way? What is the best way to enhance concentration? Do you know? Can you spare 10 minutes every day? Yes. I need it in a good manner. See, 10 minutes a day. Can you spare everyone? A question for everyone. So if you are practicing 10 minutes Vedic mathematics, within 30 days, your concentration level increases. See, this is a proved fact. So many research have been done. Yesterday also, I told you one thing. Yoga heals your body. Meditation heals your soul. And Vedic mathematics, it heals your academic performance. So all your doubts, it's not only one subject, only mathematics. Yes, we cannot live without mathematics. You cannot think without mathematics. Even if you are going to purchase something, then also you need mathematics. You cannot escape from mathematics anytime. Yes, somebody was asking me a question. Yes. Yes, Arna, any you have raised the hand?
No, sorry, sir. By mistake, I raised my hand.
Okay. No issues, beta. No
Sir,
issues. Yes, beta.
sir, you are a doctor.
Is this a doubt? We'll
No,
chit
sir,
chat.
question.
We'll chit chat later on. I am doctorate in computer science, Vedic mathematics, child psychology, and so many things. But is it the topic? We'll chat later on, beta. Let us complete the topic first.
Okay, sir.
So I asked you yesterday also disadvantages, but so this was Bijank, Namashesh, a digit root. See, 27, 2 plus 7, it makes 9, 348, 3 plus 4. So this way we can do. And then we have solved the addition we have used in subtraction, we have used in multiplication. We also saw how MCQs can be solved. You might not be today understanding the importance, but whenever you'll be going for any entrance exam, see today, if you have you ever listened to the speech of our honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi? So in one of the Man Ki Baat, you know, he gives a speech every month. He told one student, Usman, that you should practice Vedic mathematics if you want to clear competitive exam. Now see, if a prime minister of a country is saying this, it has some value. Second, so two things have happened in the last year. One thing, our prime minister, he told somebody to prepare competitive examinations with the help of Vedic mathematics. And second thing, this subject has been added to your syllabus. Tomorrow also, I have to go to some meeting is going on in Haryana for this Vedic mathematics. I am already training 18,000 teachers of Haryana. So in Haryana, this syllabus has been introduced. And in your SSR VM schools also, we are going to, the teachers are going to be trained for this. So you have to learn now. Well, now we'll learn an important multiplication, a very easy multiplication. See, it's known as Antraya Doshke. Okay. See, I'll give you a very good example. These are three different questions of multiplication. 1, 2, 3. Do you find something similar, or do you find anything uncommon, or do you find anything important in these?
Sir, the ones placed in 36, 53 and 12, sir, they are like 3 and 2 are what you call it, factors of 6.
Okay, others? Yes, please try.
Same tens place.
The tens column there is 1 1. The tens column 5 5 is there, 3 3 is there.
Very good. Good observation. Yes, others.
If we see it separately, 36 and 34, the difference is 2. 53 and 57, the difference is 2. And 12 and 18, the difference is 4. The 3 and 7, 4.
See, it is a question of multiplication. Yes, still good try. Others. A very important. See, you love this concept. You'll see how your calculations will enhance. Yes, try, Shirish. Everybody, Shridata, try. Whatever comes in your mind,
Sir,
speak up.
there are 3 numbers.
I don't find 3 numbers. This is only 2 number. 2 digits.
Sir, there is one on the top.
Yes.
So I think
Others,
she's saying about the top one.
Atharv, Devadarshan.
Sir, there are 1-digit numbers on the top.
Okay. Others.
They are from the same tens place.
If we see the ones place in all the digits, they
Sir,
add
the
up to 10, like
digits
2
are
plus
the
8, 10, 3 plus
same
7,
in the
10, 6
tens
plus
place.
4, 10.
Who is this?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, this is sir, in the first one, there is 1 number difference, and in the second one there's 2 numbers difference, and in the third one there's 3 numbers difference.
No. Anything else? So time's up.
So 6 is 4,
Now
7,
let
3
me
plus
answer.
7.
Now let me answer.
Where in each set we get ones place as when we add them, we get it as 10.
Okay. RV, what is the? Yes, RV, tell me.
Sir, in 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 3, and then 1 plus 2 is 3, so 3 plus 3 is 6. So you can make 36 also in that. You can make numbers. The numbers which you have written.
No.
We can.
The track is wrong. So actually these 3 I wrote it at. Okay, now listen very carefully. In all the digits, the unit place is common. Here 5 is common, here 3 is common, here 1 is common. Got it? So first is unit place common. Second,
tens place is common.
sorry, come again.
Sir, it's not the units place, it's the tens place.
Very good. I thought I'm only sleeping. Only one person is, all are sleeping, right? So tens place in all are common. Any doubt?
No, sir.
About unit place. If you see unit place, number 1 plus number 2, if you add them, they make 10. 6 plus 4 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10. Yes? Any doubt on this? Whenever you get these conditions clear, anywhere, anytime in exams, the answer is very clear. You first write down this. I'll just remove, then I'll write again. Just copy it. Hurry up. Okay, done. So the answer is very simple in such cases. The answer is,
Sir, should we copy it?
as I told that, that's what I told beta.
Sir,
Now see the answer, how answer is to be done if these 2 conditions are met. This, do you know this concept is called as, I'll tell you the concept name. This is known as Antya Doshke ten multiplication. So you need not to remember the sutra, but I'm just sharing it with you. It is Antraya Doshke 10 multiplication. Now what happens? Okay, what was the question? 36 and 34. Okay. The answer to it, you don't have to multiply completely. The answer is very clear. Left and left, right and right multiply with each other. 3 into 4, 24. And whatever this number is, common number, multiply with one more. Like we added one there, same one more. So the answer becomes 12 and 24. Here, 53,
Sir,
57.
I did not understand.
Let me write first. 53, 57. 7 and 3 is 21. And here 5 is to be multiplied by the next number. So 5 into 6 is 30. So answer is 3021. Yes, who did not understand?
Sir, Sriyadita.
Yes, Siddhartha.
Sir, I didn't understand.
No issue. See. Now up till here you got it. There are two things. One is tens place is common. One is
Yes,
n1 plus
sir.
n2 is making 10. Whenever these two conditions are fulfilled, whenever these two conditions you see are fulfilled, then the answer is very simple. The answer is in two parts. Right hand part, what is 6 into 4?
24.
As it is, right, 24. Now here you cannot multiply because you have same numbers. So what is the common number?
3.
3.
You have to multiply with one more. What is one more than 3?
3 4s are. 3
So what is
4s
3
are
into 4?
18.
So that is 12
No, it is 12.
and 24. So answer is 12, 24. You can check. Similarly, 5 is multiplied by one more. So 5 into 6 is 30. And on the other side, 7 into 3 is 21. So answer is 3021. So verbally, you can solve this. 1 into 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. And here 16. Now is it clear?
No, sir.
Where are you stuck in?
Sir, I don't know, sir. This 3. When there are common, I'm not understanding. Like 3 and 3, 5 and 5, 1 and 1.
This is common. Right hand side is clear.
It is similar.
Right, it is similar.
When the times, I'm not understanding when the times is similar.
That's what I'm asking. Up till here it is clear, it is similar.
Yes, sir.
Now when it is similar, you have to just multiply with one more. What is one more than the similar one? If it is 3 is similar,
4.
what is one more than 3?
4.
So you just have to multiply by 4. Here 5 is a number.
Yes.
So what is one more than 5?
30. 5, 6 are 30.
Here what is one more than 1?
2.
So 1 into 2 is 2.
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, that's what I told you. This sutra is known as Ekadikena Sutra. That means one more. But I cannot tell you sutra names right now. So that was, but see how easy calculations it become. I just wanted to show you how magical Vedic mathematics is. Got it?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I did not. Sir, I did not understand how you did the third question.
Which third, beta?
Sir, the 12 into 18.
What is one more than 1?
2.
So what is 1 into 2?
2.
So 216 is the answer.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
So can't we do it with an other numbers which where the ones place does not form and 10 like 37 into 34?
That then there are different concepts. See, I told you in Vedic mathematics, you have two kinds of concepts. One is general concept, which applies on all the numbers. And one is some concepts specific, like I taught you 11. Like this is there. So these are known as specific concepts and one are general techniques. Now, if a question can be solved by 11, why should you go for complete multiplication? See, now try to understand this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are doing with the concept I taught you now, that is easy or this is easy?
The concept you thought was easy.
So that's what, see, what I'm trying to make you understand. It needs time also, na? 30 classes minimum are required. We cannot understand entire Vedic mathematics in one class. But this is a preview, like how magical it is, how fast you can become. If in a day you can become so fast, how in a 30 days you can become fast, right? Okay. So see, again, you'll be getting the notes, so everything would be clear. Sum of last digits is 10 and remaining previous numbers are same. So you'll be getting the notes. So I think all would be 62 into 68, 7, everything would be sorted out. So you have to practice daily. So you can visit the page and that will give you. Right. So now any questions, any doubts you have? Yes, sir. Yes, Sridhata.
Sir, I'm not getting the notes, sir. Last class note, I did not get it. In the
See, beta,
Facebook, it's like mixed.
Nobody is going to send at your home. That is available on the book page, and everybody has solved the questions. So that is available on the announcement section of that group. That group was shared to you on your WhatsApp.
Sir, I could join it, but I could not see any announcement placed and all.
It is announcement is always on the top. If you see top, it is written day 1, workshop day 1, and there is a notes. Announcement is there, beta. Try today again.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, whatever problem you'll be facing, you can WhatsApp me. Yes, anyone has any doubts left now?
Sir, I want to ask one more thing.
Yes.
Sir, I want to ask.
Yes, Viren.
Sir, in the previous sum, why did you add one for every question?
See that for common things. Whenever it was common, that you are asking me.
Yes, sir.
See, that is a specific, that is a technique. Otherwise, you have to solve completely. Now here you are doing it mentally. That's what I am asking you. 74 into 77, 74 into 76. Now, can you solve it verbally? No. But if I use this technique, 74, remember, see, just open your brain. 74, 76. That means 7 is common, 6 and 4 make 10. So 7 into 8 is 56 and 24. So answer is 5624. Can you do multiplication otherwise this way?
So, sir, it only
Yeah, tell me.
so, sir, it only adds for common.
It is added in the common. See, there are number of concepts in Vedic maths. You have just done one concept, beta. One was 11, one is this. There are so many concepts in Vedic mathematics, which will make your, okay, what about your speed? Do you think your speed increased with 11 concepts?
Yes, sir.
And what about the if you are able to check your answers, if you are able to verify your answers with digit sum, will it make some difference? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Will it give you confidence or not? See, if you know that your answer is correct, so what is required in life? That confidence. If something you are getting confidence, something is giving you speed, what more is required to us? Yes. Yes, anyone else?
Sir, I wanted to ask one more thing.
Yes.
Is the common ones called sutras and the only for like 9, 11 common ones, is that called subsutras?
No. They sub sutras are like sometimes specifically you are going for some point. Otherwise, they are called sutras only.
Sir, can I leave now?
Okay. Yes, anyone has any doubt now? If there
Yes,
is no
sir.
doubt, then we'll finish it off. And in case you're looking further, you can contact. We have monthly classes also. So you can connect to me anytime you want. Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, what is TPC?
Sorry.
TP. Sir, what is TPC?
Sorry, I could not get what is 3.
Sir, can I chat?
Okay. Yes. Viren, your hand is up. Any questions left? Devadarshan, anything left?
No, sir.
Gauri Lakshmi?
want to answer this question.
Yes.
Sir, I chatted that.
Answer this question, sir.
Just hold on.
Sir, can I leave?
Okay, beta.
Why, sir, can I answer?
Sir, the homework along with the recorded lecture will be mailed to the ID, no?
Yeah, we'll be sending on the WhatsApp right after some time. Okay. What
The
is
recorded
TPC?
lecture also.
Can I leave?
Okay. Okay, all the best.
Sir, can I leave?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I want to answer this question.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, the answer is 1.95.
Very good. Yes. Chalo. Take care. All the best to everyone. Enjoy and do the homework. It's not that there is no class tomorrow, so no homework. Complete it. This will give you thorough practice, right?
Sir, today the workshop got over. Or
Yes,
days more.
it
yeah?
was 2 days.
Okay.
If you want further, then you have classes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay, then bye-bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
All the best.
Bye.
Good evening.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Yeah.
sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Same to you.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.